Hey, welcome back! Before we jump into part 3 of our Yiwu Market, make sure to hit the like button. Take a look at this stunning display of scarves. What a variety of styles, colors, and patterns. Whether you're looking for cozy knits or lightweight wraps, Yiwu Market vendors offer a diverse range to cater to all preferences. And the best part? It's all available at factory prices. While at Yiwu, you can always stock up your inventory with wedding wear that speaks to the dreams of every bride. For those in search of the latest trends from South Korea, head to the 7th floor of Yiwu Market for curated pieces of imported clothing. From formal attire to casual wear, their collection offers a diverse array of styles to suit every taste and occasion. And when it comes to fabrics, Yiwu Market has got you covered with infinite options. From a variety of prints and natural fabrics like cotton, linen, wool, silk, and satin, the adventure continues in part 4. If any of these beautiful products caught your eye and you'd like to import them, just drop us a WhatsApp message.